Hello, I am Michael Carini. Welcome to my quick and honest art talks. Now, today I want to talk about how being an artist is a real job, or at least it can be, because it's really whatever you want it to be. If you want to call being an artist a hobby, then it can be a hobby. If you want to call it a side hustle, it can be a side hustle. If you want to call it a job, it can absolutely and legitimately be a job. Now, one of the biggest things I hear that kind of annoys me is that, oh, well, if you have a side hustle or another thing to bring in money, and you're doing the art, well, then the art's not really a job because it doesn't pay all your bills. But today in 2024, how many people don't have a side hustle or make enough money off of that one thing? So if you're gonna tell me that as an artist, because I can't pay all of my bills with the money I make off my art, that it's just a hobby, but you have a side hustle, well, then I'm gonna have to argue that what you do is also a hobby and not an actual job too. So a job does not necessarily have to meet those certain requirements. It doesn't necessarily have to earn you a 401k or qualify you for health coverage or whatnot. You call it what you want to call it. You decide what it is to you. And if you decide you want to make money off your art, it's certainly possible. It's a wonderful thing. And you can make a living off of being an artist. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. You may just have to diversify. You may have to be business savvy. That's one of the biggest things. You may have to do a couple different things. Maybe you license your work. Maybe you show with galleries. Maybe you have an e-commerce shop. Maybe you do the social media thing and you get paid a little money from that. I do kind of a little bit of this, that, and the other, and I find that by doing all those different things, that is one of the keys to building sustainability as an artist. Now, do I still sometimes have other side hustles? From time to time, maybe I decide I want to. There was a time that I did have another job too, but I was no less of an artist when I held that job than I am today. So ignore all the BS about that. You call it a job, you call it a hobby, you call it whatever you want. You just do your thing and don't let anybody talk you out of your dream. Share your thoughts and join me next time.